going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Mars by YUNGBLUD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double uppercut punt you in your mangina. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright, you guys, this song is pretty simple. It is using bar chords though, so if you're not really good at bar chords, this will be great practice for you. It is in standard tuning, and it's just 3 different chords that repeat. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be a B flat bar chord. You're going to bar the entire 6th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 8th fret of the A, pinky finger on the 8th fret of the D, and your middle finger on the 7th fret of the G. You need a D minor bar chord. Bar the 5th fret with your index finger starting on the A. You don't need to bar the whole thing, just start on the A string with the bar. Put your ring finger on the 7th fret of the D, pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G, and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B. And then finally F major, bar the entire, it's the same as your B, bar the entire 1st fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 3rd fret of the A, your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the D, and your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up for the 1st and 2nd chord, and that same exact thing just twice as long on the F. So it looks like down, 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 up, 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 down, down, up, down. Have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.